大家好，我係老鼠叔叔。今日我就買咗呢個 Amazon 嘅智能音箱 Echo Show 5，咁我哋開箱睇下究竟係點嘅啦。佢就內置咗呢個語音助手 Alexa 啦，咁佢又仲有 Bluetooth 嘅，咁你可以當佢普通嘅藍牙音箱咁用嘅。佢仲有 WiFi 啦，只可以上網啦，仲有 Audio Out。如果你覺得佢本身嘅音質太差嘅話咧，你仲可以外接呢個好啲嘅喇叭嘅。咁仲有一個鏡頭蓋啦。咁後邊呢度咧就介紹佢有啲咩功能，咁你可以睇天氣啦、睇新聞啦，播歌嗰時咧可以 show 埋啲歌詞出嚟嘅，咁啊仲可以顯示啲食譜啊，有啲控制你嘅智能家具啊。如果你有啲智能嘅CCTV 咧，咁你仲可以睇到門口有啲咩人揾你嘅，咁仲可以仲可以打呢個視像電話啦。咁呢度咧就會簡介咗佢 support 啲咩 apps 㗎，就譬如有呢個 Amazon Music 啦、Apple Music 啦、Spotify 啦、Prime Video、彭博新聞、Philips Hue、Arlo 呢個 Arlo 咧就應該頭先講嗰啲智能嘅 CCTV 啦，咁同埋Samsung 嘅 SmartThings 啦、Skype 啦等等嘅。咁我哋開箱睇下入邊有啲乜嘢啦。咁一打開咧就佢個智能音箱個本體啦。咁就後邊咧呢度係啲布嘅質地嚟嘅。咁下邊咧就有個防滑膠啦。咁跟住咧呢度咧就有個火牛。咁咧而家佢冇行貨嘅，咁你買翻嚟咧都係啲水貨。咁都呢個就係美國版啦。咁要轉翻啲用翻個轉門閘先至用到啦。咁另外咧就有啲說明書啦嚇。咁就介紹點用啦。咁佢有兩個咪啦呢度嚇，咁同埋有個較大細聲。咁同埋呢度呢個咧就係鏡頭嚟嘅。咁機後邊咧就呢個就電源線啦。咁呢度頭先講嗰個Audio Out。咁譬如你嫌佢個音質唔好咧，咁你可以駁一個好啲嘅喇叭啦。咁後邊呢度就教你點樣 set up 啦。同埋一啲 quick start 嘅，佢點樣用法嘅。咁呢度咧有張簡介，你可以用啲咩語音指令咧去控制呢部 Alexa 嘅。咁譬如你可以叫佢顯示啲天氣啊、新聞啊、聽歌啊、set 個 alarm 啊、打啲視像電話啊，同埋問佢一啲常識問題啦，去控制你嘅智能家居嘅設備啦。咁同埋仲有其他嘅技能嘅。咁咧，原來咧，你仲可以同佢玩遊戲嘅。咁要用呢個 Echo Show 咧，咁你就需要呢一個 Amazon 嘅 account 嘅。咁申請個 account 都好容易嘅啫，你 Amazon 個網址入翻個 email，設定翻 password 就得㗎啦。咁我哋幫佢接上電源啦。咁咧，你就發覺原來咧佢有好多嘅語言嘅 support 嘅。咁佢 support 英文啦、西班牙文啦、德文啦、法文啦、印度文啦、意大利文啦，同埋日文，仲有葡萄牙文嘅。咁我哋揀翻英文啦。
Hello, ready for setup.
咁佢就要 search 上翻網啦，咁你揀翻你嘅 WiFi 啦，輸入翻你嘅 WiFi 密碼，咁就 confirm 啦。咁咧就會問翻你 Amazon 嗰個login name 就係你個 email 嚟嘅，咁你入翻你嘅 email 啦。咁跟住再入埋你個 password 啦。咁跟住你揀翻你嘅 time zone 啦。咁啊我哋喺香港，我哋就揀翻中國嗰個 time zone 啦。咁之後咧，佢會認到你咧個地址喺邊嘅，咁你就繼續 OK 啦。 咁佢就問你呢個機咧擠喺邊度嘅，咁你譬如我就呢個咧，我就會將佢擠喺廚房度嘅。咁你可以叫佢咩名啦，改名啦。咁我唔改佢啦，咁啊叫翻叫 Echo Show 5啦。咁之後就有個簡介，究竟呢個 Echo Show 5可以做啲乜嘢嘅。咁我哋睇下啦。
Hi, we're glad you're here. It's time to get you and your Echo Show 5 off and running. Here are 3 things to try first. Number 1, use your voice. You could say something like, Alexa, play happy music.
Okay, here's a station you might like. 80s pop on Amazon Music.
Number 2, try using the touchscreen. Number 3, choose your perfect clock face. To get started, say, Alexa, customize my clock. This is just the beginning of things you can do with your Echo Show 5. For more things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? Welcome to your new Echo Show 5.
咁之後咧就有個宣傳，咁就話叫你裝呢個 Amazon Music，咁就可以有30日嘅免費嘅試用啦。咁我哋暫時唔用啦。
This device is ready.
咁就完成咗呢個 set up 噶啦。咁除咗喺個 screen 度 set up 呢部機之外咧，亦都可以 download 個 Apps 嚟 set up 呢部機嘅。咁但係因為呢部機咧，佢唔係正式喺香港度推出咧，咁所以咧，如果喺香港嘅 Google Play 咧，你係 download 唔到嘅 Apps 嘅。咁你就要去呢個 APK Pure 嘅網站度 search Alexa， 咁咪 download 嘅 Apps。安裝完你就打開個 App 啦，跟住你嘅揀 Add Device， 跟住再揀翻你嘅 Echo Device 嘅型號，跟翻佢嘅指引，咁就可以完成安裝噶啦。咁另外咧，你哋亦都要上 Alexa 上面嘅網站更改佢嘅設定嘅。Login 之後你就揀翻 setting 啦，咁之後再揀翻你嘅 device 就係 Echo Show 5。咁跟住再揀呢個 device location， 咁你要揀翻 Hong Kong 啦，同埋你嘅地區。香港就冇 postcode 嘅，咁你喺 postcode 嗰度打翻5個0就得噶啦。咁之後再按呢個 setting， 再揀呢個 Flash Briefing， 再揀翻呢幾個有關香港新聞嘅頻道，就可以收聽香港嘅新聞噶啦。咁 set 完之後咧，佢就會可以提供啲本地化嘅資料啦。Alexa, tell me the weather.
Right now in Yangtze Mun, it's 29 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has lots of clouds, with a high of 33 degrees and a low of 27 degrees.
Tell me the news briefing.
Here's your news. From fan of RTHK News, the Foreign Ministry office in Hong Kong said on Saturday that it resolutely opposes Washington's decision to impose visa restrictions on some mainland officials,
Alexa,
saying the
stop. 咁佢仲可以用 Spotify 嚟聽呢個廣東歌嘅。咁你首先播放嗰啲歌先啦。咁呢係個可用裝置啦，咁你撳入去。咁喺呢度再揀翻 Echo Show 5。咁你哋都可以喺電話度較大細聲㗎。Alexa, stop。咁佢亦都可以用嚟聽呢個香港電台嘅。Alexa, listen to RTHK Radio 1 on TuneIn.
RTHK Radio 1 from TuneIn.
不把工作視為毫無樂趣的苦役。
Alexa, stop。咁 Alexa 咧仲有好多技能嘅，都可以 add 落去呢個 Echo Show 上邊嘅。咁你走去個 scale 嗰度啦，咁就揀翻，譬如揀翻你嘅 news 啦。雖然大部分咧都係外國媒體咁，但係你可以 search 嗰度咧 search 翻啲有關香港嘅新聞嘅。咁你就好似頭先咁，可以叫佢播俾你聽噶啦。 咁我買呢部機嘅最主要原因咧，就用佢 voice control 去控制呢個智能家居設備嘅。咁你入到去 Smart Home 嗰欄咧，你發現佢一大扎嘅 support 嘅 service 嘅，咁你就按你自己需要去 install 啦。咁我就自己 install 咗呢啲咁嘅新聞嘅 skill 啦，同埋啲米家嘅 skill 啦，同埋Momax 啦，之前我嗰個抽濕機嗰個 skill 啦。咁我呢部嘢咧最主要咧放喺廚房用嘅。咁譬如我有時煮緊飯嚟手濕啦，咁我唔方便點啲電掣啦，咁就要講 Alexa turn on kitchen。Alexa turn off kitchen。咁亦都可以煮嘢食嗰時當佢做一個計時器啦。Alexa set a timer for 5 minutes。
5 minutes, starting now.
Alexa set a timer for pasta。
For how long?
15 minutes。
Pasta timer, 15 minutes, starting now.
咁咧佢就顯示有2個 timer 喺度噶啦。咁如果你想 cancel 啲 timer 咧，就話 Alexa cancel all the timers。
Canceling all your timers.
如果你有其他嘅使用心得，歡迎喺下邊留言話俾我聽噶。今日條片就去到呢度，希望大家留言、點讚、分享同埋訂閱啦，拜拜。